I'm not that fucking short. Come on now.
You're pretty fucking short.
I'm not that
I'm
fucking
videoing right now, you short fuck.
Okay. New product alert. Normally badging is super duper ugly and I take all of it off. Fancy dancy new TSO badges have come in. Everybody else is getting them. So let's take a look at mine. And there we have it. Full overlays and powder coating. Hold it up and show them against the hood stack up there. And since I'm kind of small, we're going to have our tall assistants here squish her onto the door. That way she didn't go flying off anywhere. We have an install. There, smush her in. What did I say about burping in my videos?
Your video
it's staying in this time. Thank you.